How to see your Snapchat history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first locate your Snapchat application and then open it. Now tap on the profile icon from your top left corner. After that, from your top right, go to the settings. Now scroll all the way down and just on the top of this logout you will find my data option. Tap on it. Now you will have to download all your datas that you have in Snapchat, so that it will also include your snaps that you sent and received. Tap on next and select the date range, then select all time since you want to see all your Snapchat history, every snaps you ever sent and received. Then simply submit it. Now your data will be available for download. After it is available, all you have to do is install it and see all the information that is available. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.